Good morning, students. I welcome to the BSc first year English medium students in my class. Myself, Jyoti, faculty of Zoology department in Sri Adinath Jain PG College. As you know, we have started the Zoology paper 3rd. Name of this paper is the Development Biology, and in this paper we have started the first unit. In first unit we have done the first topic, embryology. It means the introduction of embryology and its history, and we started the next topic of this unit is the spermatogenesis. In last video of spermatogenesis we have done the structure of testes. So now today we are started the process of spermatogenesis. If we are talking about the process of spermatogenesis, the mechanism of spermatogenesis is divided into two processes. It means this process has completed into the two steps. The first is the formation of spermatid. Formation of spermatid. Formation of spermatids and second one is the spermatolysis, either a spermiogenesis. Spermiolysis and the spermiogenesis. This is the formation of spermatid ठीक है. So in the two steps the complete process is divided. The formation of spermatid is also having a three sub steps. First is the multiplication phase. The second one is the growth phase, and the third one is the maturation phase. It means in the process of spermatogenesis, first of all the spermatid has formed, and this spermatid is converting into the sperm. So there has a two process. First of all, in the first process the formation of spermatid is the first process, and the second process is the spermatolysis. So in the process of spermatogenesis, first of all the structure is formed which is known as the spermatid. Firstly जो structure form होती है वो कौन सी होती है? Spermatid, and this spermatid is formed into the three sub steps. Three sub steps are there. First one is the multiplication phase, the second one is the growth phase, and the third one is the maturation phase. This maturation phase is also dividing into a two process. It means there has a two maturation division. First is the maturation first, and second one is the maturation second. So in this maturation phase there has a two division. These division are known as the maturation first, and second one is the maturation second. So after that the maturation second, the structure is formed the spermatid. The structure is formed the spermatid. This spermatid is converting into the sperm. The spermatid is converting into the sperm and the process of changing. It means when the spermatid is converting into the sperm, this process is known as the spermatolysis, either a spermiogenesis. So first of all, the male gamete has formed spermatid. कि firstly क्या formed होता है? Spermatid has formed. But the spermatid is not a functional gamete. Spermatid is a gamete, but it is not a functional gamete. So that's why this spermatid has to convert it into the functional gamete as a sperm, and the process of the conversion is known as the spermatolysis or the spermiogenesis. ठीक है, तो ये steps हैं. So we will study all the steps in a detail. क्या बात कर रहे हैं हम? We are studying the process of formation of male gamete. The male gamete is known as the sperm, and the formation of sperm is known as the spermatogenesis. The process of spermatogenesis, it means the mechanism of spermatogenesis is divided into the two processes. First is the formation of spermatid and second one is the spermatolysis or spermiogenesis. In a first process, in the formation of spermatid, it means first of all the structure is formed is the spermatid and their formation is divided into the three steps. कि three steps में क्या formed होता है? Spermatid has formed. These three phases are the multiplication phase, growth phase and the maturation phase. This maturation phase is also having a two division. The first is the maturation first and second one is the maturation second. So after that the maturation second, the spermatid has formed. The spermatid is a male gamete. Spermatid is a male gamete, but it is not a functional gamete. So this spermatid has to converting into a functional gamete, and this functional gamete is known as the sperm. So the conversion of spermatid into the sperm is known as the spermatolysis and spermiogenesis. So after by completing to the both the steps, the process of spermatogenesis has completed. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Now we started the first is the formation of spermatid, and this formation is started from the multiplication phase. ठीक है, अब इसको पहले हम समझ लेते हैं, then we will write it. The spermatogenesis process has started after that when an animal is getting the maturity. It means when its gonads has developed, then from the epithelial, from the germinal epithelial, from the germinal epithelium, from the कि क्या हमने ये बात करी थी, in our testes the epithelium cell has stored, कि इसमें क्या होता है, in our testes and the embryonic stage some of the PGC cells are stored in a embryonic stage. कि embryonic stage में ही क्या होता है, testes में, यानी कि जो sex organ है testes, in testes there has a store of PGC cell, the primordial germinal cell. These primordial germinal cells are further get converting into the sperm. So the sperm is formed by the PGC, either a primordial germ cell. These PGCs are originate from the germinal epithelium cells. These PGC are formed from the germinal epithelium. So when the animal is getting the maturity, it means when the secondary sexual character has developed in an animal, after that the PGC start to converting into the sperm. It means the process of spermatogenesis has started. So what is happening there? In the process of, first of all, the PGC is a diploid cell. The PGC is a diploid cell because it is in a testis. This PGC is converting firstly into the spermatogonia. This PGC is converting into the spermatogonia. So there has a division. This PGC is converting into the spermatogonia. So there has a division, and this division, it means in this division क्या होगा कि यहाँ पर there has a divisions के through the cell has a division. The division is mitotic. There has a mitotic division, and due to mitotic division, this PGC is converting into the spermatogonia. ठीक है? So there has a form of the one cell has divided into the two. So two spermatogonias are formed. These spermatogonia again having a division, mitotic division. There is also having a mitotic division, and due to this mitotic division, the spermatogonia has converted into the primary spermatocyte. So what is happening? So this all the process has completed in the multiplication phase. So in the process of multiplication phase, first of all, from the germinal epithelium, those PGC are formed, their PGC having a mitotic division, and due to this mitotic division, this PGC firstly converting into the spermatogonia. Because it is a mitotic division, so the genetic material will be same. So this is a diploid cell. So the spermatogonia is also a diploid cell. After that, this spermatogonia is again having a mitotic division. So this, due to this mitotic division, this spermatogonia is converting into the primary spermatocyte. So 4 cells are formed. And all are known as the primary spermatocytes. These all are known as the primary spermatocytes. And these primary spermatocyte is also a diploid structure because their division is a mitotic. That's why this phase is known as the multiplication phase, because in this phase the cells are increases mitotically. There has a mitotic division, so that the one cell is multiply into the 4 cells. So many of spermatogonia is having the multiplication phase, and due to this of the phase, many of primary spermatocytes are formed in the process of spermatogenesis. ठीक है? So write down the heading mechanism of spermatogenesis. Write down the heading spermatogenesis. लिखो, इसी में हम लिखेंगे द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. The process of spermatogenesis is divided into two phases. Is divided into the two phases. A, The formation of spermatid or spermatocytosis. फर्स्टली हेडिंग क्या डालेंगे हम? A, formation of spermatid or formation of spermatid and spermatocytosis. Then the second is the spermiogenesis. Second one is the spermiogenesis or spermatolysis. Spermiogenesis or the spermatolysis. So write down the first heading is the formation of spermatid or spermatocytosis. ठीक है, इसमें लिखेंगे फर्स्ट कौन सा है? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड. सो राइट डाउन इन दिस, लिखे विद इन द सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल, विद इन द seminiferous tubules, within the seminiferous tubule primordial germinal cells are organized in two-three layers, within the seminiferous tubules along the outer border of the outer border of the tubular epithelium This PGC, this PGC divide mitotically this PGC divide mitotically and known as spermatogonia. This spermatogonia again divide mitotically and formed the primary spermatocyte. Which is diploid, which is the diploid cell. So this is the ठीक है. इसमें एक थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लेना. We have written the formation of spermatid और spermatocytosis. So यहाँ पर आपको एक लाइन ऐड करनी है. सॉरी, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हुआ है. The formation of spermatid and spermatocytosis. So इसमें आपको लिखना है this process is divided in 3 sub-stages. This process is divided in 3 sub-stages and all these things are coming in a first stage, that is the maturation phase. So sorry for that, you have to mention this thing, the formation of spermatid. So यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है this process is divided into the 3 steps and then you have to start this and write down the heading is maturation phase. तो आपको यहाँ पे ये जो process है this is the maturation phase. ठीक है. तो ये जो पूरा हमने कंप्लीट प्रोसेस पढ़ा है दिस इज द मैच्योरेशन फेज. राइट डाउन द सेकेंड सब फेज ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ spermatid. राइट डाउन द सेकेंड हेडिंग इज द second is the growth phase. ठीक है. सेकेंड प्रोसेस क्या होगा? दैट इज द ग्रोथ फेज. सो in growth phase there has only the growth. It means in this phase no divisions are there, no any of division, the mitotic and meiotic, another कोई सा भी division नहीं है, there has only the growth. So in this the primary spermatocytes is getting the growth, it means it increasing in the size. So the primary spermatocytes will be increases double in size. कि suppose करो अगर उसका size क्या है, this is the size, तो वो क्या हो जाए, increase होकर it's increases in their size. So there has the increasement of the size. So that's why in a primary spermatocyte there is a no division is there. ग्रोथ फेज में देयर इज अ नो डिवीजन, कोई डिवीजन नहीं है, ओनली द प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट इंक्रीज इन साइज एंड दिस इज नोन एज द ग्रोथ फेज. सो देयर हैज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द, क्योंकि अभी हम जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा वो हम oogenesis से पढ़ेंगे एंड द oogenesis इज ऑल्सो हैविंग द सेम प्रोसेस. उसमें भी क्या होगा, देयर हैज अ मैच्योरेशन फेज, ग्रोथ फेज एंड द multiplication phase. All three phases are there, but in this the growth phase of this oogenesis, growth phase in oogenesis is a long time period phase. कि oogenesis में जो growth phase होती है it is a very long time period phase, बहुत long durations की phase होती है. But in a spermatogenesis this is a very short period time of phase, कि बहुत short time में होगी and the increasement of the size is very little, कि size भी क्या होता है, बहुत small size में there has a increasement. But in a oogenesis the egg, the size of egg will be increases, कि वो कैसा हो जाएगा, it also have been increases. तो कैसा होगा difference, we will study in the process of oogenesis. So write down second, the heading is the growth phase. लिखेंगे इसमें लिखो ग्रोथ फेज में, इन दिस फेज द प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट, the primary spermatocyte increase in size, increase in size, its increases in, it increase in just double, increase in just double in size, but there has no division, there has no division in this phase, in this phase. So there is a no division in this phase. ठीक है. नाउ राइट डाउन द थर्ड इज द मैच्योरेशन फेज. राइट डाउन थर्ड इज द मैच्योरेशन फेज. लिखो, in this phase the primary spermatocyte undergo in reduction division and form the secondary spermatocyte and this secondary spermatocyte is undergo mitotic division and form spermatid. इसी में एक लाइन और एडअप करेंगे, फिर हम क्लास कंप्लीट करते हैं. So in maturation phase has two division which are known as maturation first or reduction division and second maturation second. ठीक है. So in next video we will start the maturation division again. It means we will study the maturation first and maturation second. What is happening to forming of the spermatid. ठीक है. So now today your topic has completed and in the next video we will start the maturation again. Thank you students.